Good morning friends. Today I am going to show you how to do contact grafting in Swarna Champa, that is Michaelia Champaka. This is also called Golden Champa, and this is one of the most fragrant and the most beautiful flowering plants, and this is all done through the grafting process, and they are very costly, around 200 to 300 rupees. And this is the grafted plant. This is the hybrid grafted plant you can see in the ring, and they are grafted in the seedling. That is, seedling is easily available in the market, 10 to 20 rupees you can get the seedling. And for the grafting you have to do some grafting tape. This is the plastic. You can collect any of the plastic and make it a 1-inch tape. Just see how they are making it a 1-inch tape, around 1-inch width tape. And from this tape, this is a, if you want you can do the grafting tape also. So here is some grafted plant, and they are doing some grafting with some seedling one. And this is, they are staking it properly, because staking is very essential. And tie it a knot here with a string, so that the plant doesn't move much. If the plant moves, then the grafting may be failed. So this is the process. They are staking with some stick here and making it stable. Now this is totally stable, and I'll show you how they are grafting. In the left hand side you see, this is the small plant. This is from the seedling, plant seedling, and this is the very easy, and they are the root stock. And the another one in the middle you can see, this is the grafted plant. They are tying with a string here, so that the plants does not move. This is very important. If the grafted portion is moved, then the grafting may be failed. So now the string is completed. Here you see in the right hand side grafting is completed, and the left hand side they are doing the grafting. Remove the lower side of leaves here. Just see how leaves are removed from the lower side. And you see in the left hand side the stem, 50% stem is around 2-inch size. 2-inch stem is removed here, around 50% of the stem. You see, just with a sharp knife they are removing the 50% of the stem here. And this is the seedling one. And from the stem of the grafted plant, hybrid grafted plant, 50% stem of also be removed here. You can see this is the grafted plant, hybrid grafted plant. Again here 2-inch portion is cut from here. Around 50% of the stem is cut from here also, so that they can be grafted with each other. And after proper removal of the stem portions, now a grafting tape is taken here. They are tied properly. You see how they are tying properly. Very close contact to each other. Very close contact with each other, you see. And this is the process how you have to do it. Very tight and neat binding here with the plastics, you see. And after proper wrapping of the plastic, you have to tie a knot here. And now see what to do is, now this is the, now tying is complete here. And one thing I tell you, your every plant you have to water it time to time properly, and you have to keep it in shady area. And after 1 month the transplantation will be complete. Once the transplantation is complete, totally grafting, this contact grafting is complete, then you can separate them. Now you have to stake it with another stake here, another stick, stake it, and tie it with a string here, so that your grafted portion is not moved here. So this is here. Now with a string again they are tying with the stick here. This is the tying with a stick here. This is the string. With the string the upper portion is tied here with a string. This is how they are kept, and they will be keeping around 1 month. And after 1 month the grafted plant will be removed from the mother plant, and there are the 2 grafted plants are here. So after 1 month I will show you the results. Let's see. Welcome back friends. After 1 month you can see now the tied strings are cut, and all the strings are removed from here, and all the sticks that are bind here, sticks will be removed from here. And now I'll show you how to separate the seedling plant that has been grafted with the grafted plant, and that has been to separate from the mother plant. You see two plants are grafted in two stems here, and now with the C cutter the mother plant is cut off the portions here, and now the grafted plant is separated from here. So please watch the entire video. There are lots of procedure left again. Here the another plant here, and the mother plant stem is cut here, and as a result the grafted plant will be separated. This is the separate plant. So two plants here and the mother plant, new branches will come out from mother plant, and we can get the new plants from there also. Now time to remove the upper portion of the seedling here, stems of the upper portion of the seedling. You have to cut off the stem. This is the cut off of the stem of the mother seedling plant, and here the grafting is completed. Now here again in another plant the seedling top is cut from here, and now the grafted portion is completed, and the work is left only to remove the plastic from here. If you don't remove the plastic from here, there may be some of this putrefaction or some of the damage here, and some of the infections may be there, and there may be grafting may be failed. So after 1 month you have to remove all the plastic tapes from here, and this is a very essential things that you have to remove the plastic tapes from here. So this is removal, and you can see this grafting is completed. Here we can see this is the grafted portion in the ring. You can see this is the grafting, and this is the beautiful. You can do easily from take any of the seedling, and you can bring any of this stem from any of the hybrid plant, and you can graft it in your home easily, and in 1 month you can see. But one thing you have to remember, that you in the winter months you cannot do the process. Only the summer months and the monsoon season is best for grafting of this Michaelia champaka or Swarna champa. You can see this the grafting here, and these are the all, and you remove the all the basic portion of the stalk root, and now you have to transplant in the soil mixture. You have to preparely mix 70% garden soil, 20% compost, and 10% of the rice husk, and some little bit of mustard cake or some of the groundnut cake, and you have to prepare the soil 1 month ago. And after 1 month, after the grafting is complete, you can transplant in that soil mix, and that is the best soil mix for the Swarna champa or golden champa. And now we are planting the whole plant with the whole root ball. Here we can see the lower portion is the rootstock, and the upper portion is the grafted portion of the hybrid variety. If you grow the hybrid variety, you can get the hundreds of flowers, beautiful flowers, scented flowers in a small height plant, around 4 to 5 height, and you can grow in 8 to 10 inch pot or 12 inch pot is the best. You can grow the hybrid variety. But if you grow the seedlings from the seeds, they can attain the 20 to 30 feet height, and the flower will not be much in that. So this is our transplantation is complete. Now after transplantation, here is another plant that I have grafted just now, and cut off here, and I have transplanted here in another plant. So this is the all process, and you have to time watering it, and all, and you can get the flower from starting from February, March, and up to July, August you can get the flower. Hope you understood all the process, and if you new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you so much.